Ciao! Welcome to Viet Language channel, and today we are going to learn how to say common drinks names in Vietnamese. The word for drinks is đồ uống. Đồ means things, uống means to drink. Đồ uống. Water is nước. Nước. Orange juice is nước cam. In this case, nước means juice. Cam means orange, the color and the fruit, just like in English. Nước cam. Lemonade is nước chanh. Chanh means lamb or lemon. Nước chanh. Coconut juice is nước dừa. Dừa means coconut. Nước dừa. Soft drinks is nước ngọt. Ngọt means sweet. In soft drink, there's a lot of sugar and it's very sweet, right? Nước ngọt. Tea is trà. Trà. Milk is sữa. Sữa. Milk tea is trà sữa. Trà sữa. Coffee is cà phê. Cà phê. Milk coffee is cà phê sữa. In Vietnam, when we say cà phê sữa, we typically refer to the Vietnamese coffee that's served with condensed milk. Cà phê sữa. Wine is rượu. Rượu. Beer is beer. Beer. Easy, right? Okay, now let's try to use these common drinks names in a sentence. Tôi thích uống trà. Tôi, I, thích, like, uống, drink, trà, tea. Tôi thích uống trà. Another example is tôi không thích uống sữa. Tôi, I, không, don't, thích, like, uống, drink, sữa, milk. Tôi không thích uống sữa. I don't like to drink milk. Tôi không thích uống sữa. Okay guys, that is it for today, and if you learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to Viet Language channel for more Vietnamese lessons. Cảm ơn!